This field is an 8.5 acre field. It's its own watershed. So when we tiled it last fall, it had no regular pattern tile in it, just had some hand dug ones before, always wet. I planted cover crops on here last summer in August, second week of August. They come in and started ditching when probably the end of August, so the cover crops were growing. And we've put our 4-inch laterals here on 40-foot center, 40 foot apart. And we left a riser on each one as it meant the main on the outlet side. So we can do studies, basically a phosphorus study, helping to figure out why the phosphorus is getting into Lake Erie and causing the algal bloom up there. In 2-3 years, funding available, we might do studies here when the tiles settle in and get water samples to see how much phosphorus and nutrients are going out the tile line. I also installed a drainage water control structure where it has boards in it that varies. You can change the height of the water table in this field by pulling boards in and out. All winter I had the water level up to the surface, and about a month ago now, 4 or 5 weeks ago, I lowered it down about 24 inches from the surface. Today I just put another board back in because that was lower than I had to be for planting. So we're still figuring out where I have to be. So I put another board in, so we'll bring it up to about 20 inches, 18 inches from the surface for planting. After planting, I will put another board or 2 in to bring it up higher so the plants don't get affected by water, but that they can always catch water. So I save my water on a dry year, and I save the nutrients in the soil solution because the plants can go down there and take them nutrients back out of the water.